Deviance is a violation of norms. Whether or not something is deviant depends on the contextual definitions, the situation, and the people's response to the behavior. Society seeks to limit deviance through the use of sanctions that help maintain a system of social control. The three major sociological paradigms offer different explanations for the motivation behind deviance and crime. Violating norms can open society's eyes to injustice in the system. Conflict theorists argue that crime stems from a system of inequality that keeps those with power at the top and those without power at the bottom. Symbolic interactionists focus attention on the socially constructed nature of the labels related to deviance. Crime and deviance are learned from the environment and enforced or discouraged by those around us. Crime is established by legal codes and upheld by the criminal justice system. In the United States, there are three branches of the justice system: police, courts, and corrections. Although crime rates have increased throughout most of the 20th century, now they are dropping.